All right, so this is going to be a quick demonstration of trim and editing capability in iShowU Instant. So I have a recording here that I've made of simply a clock, and this is useful because we can see that goes from 38 through 39 and 40, and when we trim the footage, you'll get to see the result. So what I'm going to do is trim, let's say, up to the 30-second mark from the front. We'll do that now. Just grab this handle on the left and you'll see the video update at the top. So drag it across until I get to 30, let go, done. So at the end, let's make that only go to 40. So we'll trim a bit off. Again, we can get a preview. So we'll go to 40 flat, done. If you ever want to make your footage fit, I'm going to press Shift Z now, and that'll set the zoom so that it fits in the footage that we have fits inside the timeline. So Shift Z, cool. All right, so let's chop something out the middle. Maybe we'll chop from 39 flat through to 39 and 30 seconds. So at this point, you don't need the playhead. So we grab our region, just put it anywhere for now, about there. And now I drag the front, similar to the other trim handles, except we set that one, oops, and this one. So 39, 30, done. And just hit enter, and it's gone. So now we have the beginning of what we want. We go 38, then straight to 30. Then we've chopped out something from the middle, and it only goes to there. And all you need to do to get a video out of that you can then use on YouTube or upload somewhere is press encode. That'll take a few moments, and that should be done.